Welcome to Hearty Meals India. With the help of Fortune Products and Roti Maker, I'm going to show you a sattu paratha, which is traditional recipe of India, into sattu paratha bites. And you know how. Let's get going. For that, we need a bowl. Add to it besan from Fortune a little bit, and add over it sattu flour as per your requirement for stuffing, and to which I'm going to add aromatics like turmeric powder, the Indian spices, red chili powder, a little bit of spicier, shahi jeera, dhania jeera powder, and jeera, whole cumin seeds. With that, black sesame seeds and ajwain. Ajwain is good for bloating issues, so ajwain as well. Add salt to your taste and chop green chili. 1. Add a sachet of mixed pickle or mango pickle and a little bit of onions that are chopped. You can see here I'm using Fortune Ghani Kachi Ghani pure mustard oil, which I have transferred in the bottle, and I'm going to add a half spoon to the mixture that I'm creating for sattu paratha bites, adding curd to it and binding it. For binding, curd gives moisture, but if you feel the moisture is low, you can add some drops of water, but be very careful with the water so that it doesn't become loosened up. You just need to bind it enough to get into uh, the structure that you see in the video. Now we'll make a dough out of the Fortune Chakki fresh atta, which is 100% atta and 0% maida, a traditional process in making the atta available for us. So for binding, I'm adding the oil and water to make a dough. So once the mixture is created, we need to create the atta as well, which is we have to bind the dough. Now for roti maker, you need little softened dough, so add little more water than usual and put it to rest. Now I'm going to make smaller versions of the dough balls and put it on the one of them, take it and put it on the roti maker to give it a flattened surface, a roti type surface, but a smaller version. So once that's done, we'll pick it out and put it on the inside it the fillings, the stuff mixture that we just created, and roll it again. Means bind it again or roll it again to make it a smoother version. And just flattened it over the roti maker itself so that not much of vessels are getting used. This is a perfect recipe for college goers or office goers, anybody who needs to have quick bites and a memory of, home, but just doesn't have all the stamina to do everything. But this works very fast. Now, until before we had not on it, now we need to on it after creating all the patty like structure. And here I'm also adding white sesame seeds to the top of it. Once the roti maker is heated sufficiently, we put in ghee and add all the mini bite parathas to it. So if you're a new one, you may try it with one and one after another. But after certain experiences and trial and errors, you can put all of them together. So like the one which you will see in the coming screen. So one after another, you just cook it like you would do it normally for paratha, is the same way you do it here. Yeah, now you can see in the screen I'm added all four remaining four patty to it. With this you can easily make 12. You'll find the entire recipe listed in the description. Go through it. In case if you have any comments, do mention it. If you like it, subscribe it and share it with your friends and colleagues. You see, this is a simple form of putting on the or plating on the plates for yourself, because we also need the treatment. So do it for yourself, and you see a 6 mini bites of sattu paratha is ready and good to go. It's a perfect recipe for somebody who needs to be on toes, doesn't have to be that messy, who doesn't know how to roll the parathas, and Roti Maker just does wonderful. Up till now, people had a lot of complaints regarding Roti Maker not, flattening out the rotis perfectly, but this mini versions can't really go wrong. You need to try this recipe in order to feel the delicacy of Bihar, which is having a flavor of sattu paratha, a protein rich paratha. You can make it healthier as well by putting lesser oil, and you can store this for a couple of days. Carry it with yourself on tiffin, with office. You can pair this with raitas, the curd, cucumber raita, any type of raita that you like, dips, chutneys, green chutneys, sauces, and it goes very well with tomato chutney. I have paired this with sambhara, which is a traditional Gujarati chutney. You can carry it any moment, anywhere, and can be stored, which is made up of red chili powder and mustard. And you see, I have broken this to give you a feel and a look of how it looks from inside. So I had given my mother to taste it and she really loved it. See, so don't miss out on this recipe. Do try it with Fortune Chakki Fresh Atta, Fortune Kachigani oil, that is mustard oil. I do use products like Fortune soya chunks as well. And do try. If you liked it, give me a like and comment.